Hey guys, I want to quickly show you how to create a bitget account without that annoying message saying your account is susceptible to high risk. You know, most new users have been trying to create an account and it just keeps telling them your account is susceptible to high risk. So to show you what I mean, let me just try to create an account. Okay, so let's just do this capture. Okay. Now you will notice that when I try to click on sign up, or when I click on sign up rather, you'll see a pop-up saying, okay, we have to do this again. Okay, so it will bring out a message saying your account is susceptible to high risk. Hope you can see that your account is susceptible to high risk. Please contact customer service support. And funny enough, I have tried contacting their customer support so many times and they do not respond, which is quite bad. So I found a simple solution, right? You just have to go to your Google Play Store or your App Store, right, and search for a VPN. I You can use any VPN, I guess, but the one I use is Nigerian VPN 2024, and this second one down here, click on it, you click on install, and you wait for it to install. Okay, so after successfully installing the app, open it and connect to a server. Actually, I've tried so many servers, and the only one that works really fast and real good is the Tokyo server, right? Japan server. Right, so once it loads up, click on select server, and then there are so many servers here that you can use, but I think you should just go for the Tokyo Japan server. Then click on tap to connect and click on OK. Then just wait for it to do its thing. Right. Okay, so we are connected. And now once the connection is successful, make sure you do not close the app, right? Just go to your home screen and then do not close the app like this, right? Just um remove it from background and then um go to your bitget, right? Make sure you've cleared your bitget too, right? You need to open a fresh session. So now you can click on get started. And now let's just use our Gmail. So let's see if we can get the account up and running. Nice. So as you can see, it worked as expected, right? So you just need to click on confirm to confirm your email. Okay. So as you can see, um, we just created the account, right? And here you have your account up and ready, as easy as that. Okay, thank you guys very much. Please make sure you subscribe if you enjoy this content. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.